Close enough. Well, alrighty. Without further delay, let's get started with our 2020 Elite Extra Edition Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 1. Just like with all of our random breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, three times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Ronald in the top spot, and Anthony in the bottom spot. So again, I'll just blow up our list so it's a little easier to read. Cut and paste everything over to the right. It will take us a minute or two to scroll through this list. It's pretty long, chocked full of prospects. Alrighty, now that we've been through our humongous list, let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. So this is a 5-pack box. Each pack has 5 cards. There's 8 autographs, 2 memorabilia cards, a plethora of parallels, and a handful of base cards. I think I'm just going to tear the side out of the box. I'm not messing with the packs there since they're on foil board. All right, pack number 1. Looks like there's a mem card in there. First card is Juan Sanchez, and that is a base card, serial number to 999. Our next card is a Bryce Bonnin die cut prime number, serial number to 80 out of 90. Did not realize they had made prime cuts a pair, or prime numbers a parallel. There's the serial number, 80 out of 90. And then our next card, whoa, how about that? Evan Carter gold, and this is the gold optic version. It's on the chromium substrate. Very nice hit for the Evan Carter spot. How about that? Little optic autograph, and it is the chrome prism version. There you can see it is serial numbered 6 of 10. That is awesome. Great hit. And then our next card is a Dalton Varsho jersey autograph, and that's serial numbered 55 out of 149. There's the serial number there. And then our last card is a turn of the century parallel, and it's serial numbered 66 of 120. And there is a lot going on with this foil board. It's nice though. 66 of 120. All right. Pack number 2. First card is a Yeti Cappy base, serial number to 999. Next card is a Contenders Optic Tanner Burns ticket, collegiate ticket I should say, collegiate ticket prism, and it's on the chromium substrate. Then our next card is a Jeff Criswell autograph, and that is on card, by the way, not serial numbered. I have to say the blue autos look great on this foil board, though. Very nice. And then our next card is a Framey De Leon autograph, and this is part of the Dominican Prospect League subset. And then our last card in the pack is a Green Aspirations Kelvin Hidalgo, and that is serial number 39 of 499. Pack number 3. Mem card. First card is a Marco Reyes base card, serial number to 999. Then our next card is a Black Decade die cut parallel, serial number to 999. Eric Solari. And then our next card is a Drew Romo Team USA triple jersey. Unfortunately, it's got a bad right corner. Whoever wins this, perhaps you can send it back to Panini for an exchange. I'm sure they have copies of this card in their card library. It's serial numbered 177 out of 199. I don't know how that card got so hammered on the corner. It certainly, I don't think it would have been during the pack out process, because that's not a roller mark or anything like that. I dare say it was probably like that during the inventorying process, but unfortunate. But I dare say they probably have a replacement since this is a relatively new product. When they make cards like this, they usually make an extra 5 or 6 copies to keep in their card library. They've got a little serial number machine that they can replicate the number on, or at least they did years ago. Alrighty, and then our next card is a Ripken Reyes Hidden Gems autograph. Let's see, no serial number, nope. And then our last card is a Blue Status Spencer Strider, and that's serial number to 249. Little piece of cardstock there, that's all. I have to say I like the color schematics that they use this year a lot better than years past for the parallels. A little more subtle. All right, pack number 4. I do enjoy the occasional parallel card. First card is a Casey Martin base, serial number to 999. And then next, we have a Panini Contenders draft pick collegiate ticket, Aleric Solari. I think this is the second card we've pulled of him in this box, from the University of Tennessee. The real UT, might I add. Thank you very much. I used to love to say that all the time when I lived in Texas, just because. Then our next card is a Landon Knack autograph, and that's on card. Yeah, I like these on-card base autographs. They look really sharp. And then our next card is a Justin Lang autograph, and this is the Optic Parallel autograph. And then our last card in the pack is a Cole Henry Prime Numbers parallel, and that's serial numbered 185 out of 211. I definitely like that foil pattern. It needs to show up in some other products. And our last pack. First card is He Won Bay, and that's serial number to 999. Then we've got a second base card in this pack. Anthony Servideo, serial number to 999. Well, how about this? A little Prospect Materials Jason Dominguez with a little pinstripe. How about that? Not too shabby there. And then our next card is a Daniel Alvarez Hidden Gems. And then our last card in the box is a Green Aspirations Case Williams, serial number to 499. Alrighty, now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back and look at our list and see who got which cards. Let's see, we'll start with our base cards first. Let me straighten this up a little bit. There we go. Okay. So first we have our Anthony Servideo base card. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. Next we have our He Won Bay base card. And that goes to Becky. Congrats on that, Becky. And then next we have our Casey Martin. And that goes to Jeremy. Congrats on that, Jeremy. And then next we have a Marco Reyes base card. And that goes to Becky as well. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next we have our Yiddy Cappy base card. And that goes to Jeff. Congrats on that, Jeff. And then our last no, that was Brian M. Brian. I've got two different Brians in this break here. I'll scroll back up for you real quick. Brian M. Brian J., did you buy spots in this break? I don't recall seeing your name on the list. So our next and last base card is Juan Sanchez. And that goes to Ronald. Congrats on that, Ronald. So next we'll do our inserts. We have two Panini Contenders draft picked collegiate tickets. Our first one is the base version of Alaric Solari. And I believe he also has a parallel. And that goes, both of those cards go to Vincent. Congrats on that, Vincent. And then next is our Tanner Burns, and that is the Optic College Ticket Prism. And that goes to Ronald. Congrats on that, Ronald. So then next, we will go through our base set parallels. Let me sort those out real quick. Okay, so we've got two Green Aspirations, serial number to 499. Our first one is Kelvin Hidalgo from the Dominican Prospect League. And that goes to Ronald. Building a big stack. Congrats on that. And then our next Green Aspirations is Case Williams. And that goes to Christopher. Congrats on that. And then next is our prime numbers, Cole Henry. And that goes to Jay. Congrats on that, Jay. Thanks for joining us this week. And then our next prime numbers, we have a prime numbers die cut red of Bryce Bonin, serial numbered to 90. And that goes to Eddie. Congrats on that, Eddie. Thank you for joining us this week. And then our next parallels are our blue status, serial number to 249 of Spencer Strider. Oops. And that goes to Tim. Congrats on that, Tim. And the next is our turn of the century Alex Santos, serial number to 120. And that goes to Ronald. Building the stack. Congrats on that. So next, we'll do our memorabilia cards. First is our Jason Dominguez Prospect Materials jersey. Not serial numbered. And that goes to Jeremy. Congrats on that. And then next is our Drew Romo USA Material triple jersey. Serial number to 199. And that goes to Ronald as well. Very nice. And the next is our Dalton Varsho jersey autograph, Future Thread signatures, and that's serial number to 149. And that goes to Milani. Congrats on that, Milani. So then next, we'll go through our autographs. First, we'll go through our two hidden gem autographs. Our first one is Ripken Reyes. And that goes to Jay. Congrats on that. And then our next hidden gem autograph is Daniel Alvarez. And that goes to Milani as well, doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next we've got two base set autographs. Our first one is Landon Knack. And they're both on card. And that goes to Calvin. Congrats on that, Calvin. And then our next base autograph is Jeff Criswell. And that goes to Ronald. Adding to the stack. Congratulations. And then we have a Dominican Prospect League autograph, Fremi de Leon. And that goes to Matt. Congrats on that. And then we have two optic parallel autographs. Our first one is Justin Lane. And that goes to Ronald. And then our last one is Evan Carter, and it is a gold optic prism, serial numbered 6 of 10. And that goes to Bruce. Congrats on that, Bruce. It's a nice card. Well, alrighty. Well, that concludes our 2020 Elite Extra Edition Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks for everybody that joined us on the live feed for the break this evening. And we'll be back here in about 7 minutes with our 18-19 Optic Basketball break. Thanks again, everybody.